So we're dealing with quality management, and if you look at our timetable, we have it there. The course outline, what was sent to you. And we'll be looking at quality management. You can see there's Six Sigma to it. Six Sigma is just let me put it this way, maybe just an addition. That's not actually what we're doing, right? So there's Six Sigma sum. Now, who has heard anything about quality? Who knows something about quality?
I know about quality management, the ISO, for example, standards that every company should apply.
Yeah, who else? Something about quality.
Like there are some criteria for every product, and like products should like pass through it. So if it will be passed from that criteria, so we can call that like quality assurance and all.
Okay. Yeah. Who else? Quality.
Okay, so the quality is a standard of something as measured against other things of a similar kind. The degree of excellence of something or something like that. It means maybe quality.
Okay. So.
Am I clear, sir?
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. There is another way to the something like a distinctive attribute or characteristic processed by someone or something. It also means a quality, maybe. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. So, I'm not going to. This is a more detailed intended outcome. At the end of the day, the first and probably the second and the fourth should be achieved. Okay. We just want to see how quality management can help improve our processes, right? It can help drive the vision of most organizations. So we might, at the end of this session, be able to apply the philosophies, tools, and techniques and system associated with total quality management. We want to know the difference between quality management and total quality management. And then differentiate between inspection, quality control, assurance, and total quality management programs, and critically review where and when these techniques are applicable. We might not be able to look at developing new products and processes into the organization. I have a video on it, I can share it with you, but we'll look at how plan and implement, how you're able to plan and implement activities which will improve the quality program within the organization and move the organization towards total quality management. So these three specific outcomes are some of the things that we'll be looking at. So let's look at the first outcome where we want to apply philosophies and tools and techniques and systems associated with the total quality management. Now, there are two concepts you have. It's total quality management, but there is quality, and then there is management. So we need to know what is quality and what is management. Most of you have indicated that quality is some standards that we have to meet in terms of product or services. Some have also alluded to the fact that when you are talking about attributes and features of a product or services, these, all that you said are true, and they explain what quality is about. But more importantly, if we look at quality, there are some philosophers, there are some fathers of what quality and they have defined quality in various forms. But in simplistic term, when we talk about quality, from everybody's perspective, it is what the value someone places on something. That thing becomes of what a high quality to that person. So quality then goes with value. The value that person, that value you place on it, may be some sort of features or characteristics that a product or service has. And that is why you want to place that value on it. So what will be of high quality to someone might be different from another person. So I just want to mean that quality can be subjective when we are defining it from our own perspective, rather than looking at it from, a general perspective. The International Organization for Standardization, ISO, has its own definition of what quality is. And we have some of these philosophers who also define quality in a different perspective. So some believe that quality is something that is fit for purpose. Some others think that, if the thing is able to perform and conform to a certain standard, then it's of high quality. Now, some people also think that it is the degree to which the product is able to meet certain criteria that has been set out by, some organization, some standard organization or something else. So there are different perspectives to quality. Okay, different perspective to quality.